welcome to Coreum Concepts, the complete source of information for the Coreum blockchain and the community around it. I want to take a moment out here to thank everybody so much for all your kind words and support, the subscribes and the likes, comments on the videos. It means a lot to me. I'm going to try really hard to build this channel up to be the complete source of information for Coreum. I think 2023 is going to be a great year for Coreum and everybody that's in its ecosystem here. So yeah, stay tuned, give me a like and a subscribe if you enjoy the content. If you don't, give me a dislike and a comment just the same. I really appreciate the feedback. So today Bob tweeted out, the first smart contract for audit for Coreum is scheduled to be performed by Certik in January. Routine audits bring transparency to the industry, peace of mind to the users, and confidence to the financial institutions to develop more applications on Coreum infrastructures. Sounds pretty bullish to me. I like how the financial institutions is in there, that's for sure. Solo Bull tweeted, just a friendly reminder, Solo has more followers on Twitter than most 1 to 200 crypto projects. Its watch list by 3.5 million on CoinMarketCap, hosts 125,000 NFTs on its own platform, has its own DEX and fiat system, and it deflates. Go Solo, Solovation. Couldn't agree more, Solo Bull. Sologenics got its best days are ahead of them, that's for sure. And that's just on the XRP ledger. I think Coreum is going to take it to the next level. So, and also today, at Coreum Official announces we are ecstatic to have Emerge Interact participating on Coreum as an institutional validator node. With an established reputation in digital product strategy, Emerge will bring solid and user-friendly options to stake core through staking land. Hashtag stake core. So yeah, I haven't personally heard of staking land or this Emerge Interact. I'll have to do some checking into them. Empowering digital product leaders, we create and deliver data-driven, business-to-business customer experiences that achieve extraordinary outcomes. And here's staking land. Earn passive income by staking tokens. At staking land, you can earn passive income by securing the fetch.ia. Oh, okay, so it runs through fetch. I don't know much about it. Don't know anything about it, in fact, but I've just heard of it. So it's, oh, that's interesting. Right on. So just more enterprise support for Coreum before it's even launched here. Just more good announcements. Teams just building, ready to go. It's good to see. So here, yeah, I don't know very much about NFTs at all, I'll be honest, but it's something I'm going to definitely be researching a lot to understand the ecosystem a lot more in Sologenic and on Coreum. So Lady Crypto here just shared today, please visit the X-Walkers Discord channel to get your hands on a whitelist spot for the core heroes. So has some utility for the Coreum chain, so I like it for that reason. I don't know anything about it. It's not financial advice, but good for them, looks good. I hope they do well, and I'm going to be looking into it more so I can share as much as I can about it. Okay, yeah, and just a heads up, Core Council is having a Twitter space with Stably, the USD stablecoin on the XRP ledger. Well, they're on other chains too, but they're also going to be involved with Coreum. So yeah, they're having a Twitter space at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday, January 24th. I'll put a link to that in the description. I will try and get a video out on Stably prior to that. But yeah, I really recommend looking into Stably and the benefits of what it's going to provide for on and off ramp onto the XRP ledger and to Coreum. And highly encourage you give Core Council a follow on Twitter. And their Twitter spaces are very informative, very good community. And the project developers and co-founders have made appearances and provide great information in these Twitter spaces. So definitely check them out on Twitter. You won't regret it. Okay, and just because I haven't done a video on it yet, I know Zen and many other people have already done videos on the snapshot coming up in the airdrop, but for those of you who haven't seen it, just a heads up that there is a snapshot coming up on March 24th. It's the same day that the Coreum mainnet goes live. So it's a snapshot for core holders. Core holders specifically are going to get an airdrop. And at the same time, there's also a snapshot for solo and XRP holders. They're going to have their own pool of Coreum in their snapshot. And they'll be airdropped in the months coming up in 2023 towards to the end of the year. So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick heads up. I'll do more detailed videos on that coming up also, so stay tuned and make sure you get your trust lines set up and ready for March 24th. Oh, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and please give a like and a subscribe. Just leave a quick little video from Coreum on Meet Coreum in their own words. So yeah, again, thank you very much for all your support and the kind words in the comments. Really appreciate it. Peace and prosperity to you all.
There are many different blockchain networks. Each is trying to solve a specific use cases. Some lack modern consensus protocols, and some are economically non-viable for DeFi ecosystems. Bitcoin is an excellent store of value, but its transaction processing is slow. Ethereum is a great technology, but its current underlying infrastructure is not natively scalable. The high transaction fees make this technology almost unfeasible to be widely adopted by financial institutions. Some other blockchains are fast and cost-efficient, but lack modern architectures such as smart contracts. Meet Coreum. Coreum is a third-generation Layer 1 blockchain built to serve as a core infrastructure of future blockchain applications. The Coreum blockchain is simply the solution to improve all current weaknesses and provide developers with an essential infrastructure to build any decentralized app, from DeFi and metaverse to gaming, even banking and remittances in the financial industry. Coreum interoperates with existing blockchains while processing efficient, secure, fast, and sustainable transactions. Let's take a closer look at Coreum's architecture. Consensus mechanism. Coreum uses a bonded proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that allows for staking, non-custodial delegating, slashing, and governance. Speed and quorum. With a block time of 1.5 seconds, Coreum is extremely fast and can process up to 7,000 transactions per second, with a federated group consisting of 16 validators that rotate every 4 hours. Core token. The core token is the native token of the Coreum blockchain, a transactional token that facilitates all operations and functionalities on the Coreum network. Smart contracts. While many blockchain networks currently use the Ethereum virtual machine, Coreum benefits from the modern Turing-complete WebAssembly engine to process smart contracts. These contract applications can be written in many languages and compiled into WASM before processing. This feature allows for extensive growth in decentralized applications within the Coreum ecosystem. Interoperability. With hundreds of blockchains currently being used, Coreum deploys a bridge functionality to interoperate with various chains through the collateralized wrapping. This allows for other cryptocurrencies to flow into Coreum's ecosystem seamlessly. Built-in modules. Along with the built-in non-custodial bridge functionality, Coreum has a built-in full-feature decentralized exchange module with synthetic order book functionality. On-chain token issuance, minting, and tokenization. With a native support for the issuance of any fungible and non-fungible assets on-chain, Coreum takes asset issuance and minting to the next level. This built-in functionality even allows issuers to customize their tokenized assets with optional features such as wallet whitelisting, burning, and freezing for when it comes to the heavily regulated financial markets like stock and ETFs. Use cases. Coreum provides developers and financial institutions with a complete essential infrastructure to build any DeFi applications. Coreum even incentivizes and provides grants to qualified developers to build intuitive dApps on the Coreum blockchain. Some of the proposed use cases of the Coreum blockchain are tokenized securities, liquidity providers and market makers, cross-border payments, banking and remittance, stablecoin ecosystems, lending platforms, wrapped cryptocurrencies, decentralized exchanges, metaverse applications, NFT marketplaces, gaming and play-to-earn apps. Now, let's compare Coreum with the existing popular blockchains. Blockchain generation, interoperability, on-chain governance, transactions per second, transaction fee, block time, energy consumption, consensus mechanism, smart contract and DeFi, native DEX, distributed cloud computing and storage. Coreum, built by the community for the community, a project backed by the Sologenic Development Foundation.
If you don't think money can buy happiness, you don't know where to shop. You can get money and then go save the world. You can get money and save the forests in Brazil. You make money and go save global warming. But without money, you can't save a fucking thing. Don't you understand? Don't the fucking idiots on YouTube understand that? Until you make some shekels, until you make some fucking coin, you can't help anybody. Because if love got the job done, you wouldn't all be fucked up.